Look at this. Look at this. Now they have 3 dust baths prepared for them. Dirt that I bought. Topsoil with peat moss, cinnamon, DE, a little sprinkle of lime. Just for them to take their dust bath, you know, because that's how chickens bathe. They take dust bath and get the bugs or whatever off. Instead of them using the dust bath, look, in the yard. I mean, they are enjoying it. That one over there eating up my blackberries. But look. Dust bath. And they have one inside of the run that they hardly get into. They want to make their own, so there they are.